Going on, peoples? Welcome back to the fourth dimension. Sorry for the noise in the background. They are vacuuming and I am next to a busy street and a freeway. Today we have this 2016 Dodge Challenger with the V6. I don't know if it's a SXT or a GT, but either way it's the V6. It's going to be the same thing. I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean your mass airflow sensor and your throttle body. We have CRC, mass airflow sensor cleaner, throttle body and air intake cleaner. So first things first, hope you guys doing all right as usual. Hope y'all are doing okay. Let me know if not. First things first, you're gonna have this right here where your air filter box is. You know how to unscrew this. Put the flathead right there, unscrew it. If it does have a flathead, you might have something different. You can take that one off and then it's gonna come right off. You just push it or pull it out. Up here by your throttle body, you have another one. Unscrew it. Same thing, pull it right out. It's gonna come right off. Once you get this off, your mass airflow sensor is right here. See that? Let me do it for you again. It's by factory, by default, it's like this. Once you take it off, pull it out, flip it over, mass airflow right there in that hole. You're gonna see it sticking out from the other side. Once you pull it out, well, how to pull it out, if you look on here, you see this arrow is twisting. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it's twisting. So basically you're gonna, how I got it out was I had to twist it to the left. The right is to lock it. I twisted it to the left and it just comes straight out. You just pull it out. As you can see, this one's a little bit dirty. I don't know if you can tell. It's a little bit dirty, but I can see it without the camera. And then you can see this better. The throttle body is definitely dirty. So everything's gonna get cleaned up. We actually, I don't want to put anything in here. I'm probably gonna, that should be good actually. So yeah, we're just gonna spray this on the mass airflow sensor, clean the throttle body. I'm not gonna put anything in the intake hose because you shouldn't need to. The only thing that's been running through there is air, so there shouldn't be anything. If you want to cover up these holes, you can get you a plastic bag just to make sure no dust or anything is getting up in there, or you can run through there with an air compressor just to clean it out a little bit more. So with the CRC, what you're gonna do, obviously make sure the engine's off before you do any of this. Get you a nice little towel. You can do it away from the engine a little bit, or take it into the garage or whatever. You're just gonna coat it. You're gonna coat this and you're gonna coat the wire that it was on. Spray it down after you shake it. This has already been shooken, obviously. It's already getting clean actually. Spray it, flip it over, spray it on the other side. Too much air pressure, too much pressure. I'm flipping over. They recommend 10 to 15 sprays. You're gonna do that. You're gonna wipe it down with your towel, and then you're gonna let it sit and let it properly dry. Since it's right here in the sun, it's not gonna take that long. I'm gonna spray it a little bit more and wipe it down, and then I'm gonna let this sit. Okay, so that is done. We clean that off. We're gonna let it sit, let it dry. We sprayed the wire, this wire right here. Spray that down, wipe it off, let it dry a little bit. And I'm going to spray the hole. Just spray a little bit and then wipe it down. You know, so once it goes in there, it's not immediately getting dirty, you know. Trying to do this with one hand. Ooh. Onto the throttle body though. The throttle body, you can just spray it in there and leave it like that, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray it, wipe it off, spray it again, obviously let it dry. All right, so what we're gonna do for the throttle body, obviously shake well. This one's good. It's already been shaking a little bit. Guys over there cutting the grass. Put you some towels underneath the throttle body to get any runoff, any extra, you know. Obviously you know how to disconnect this. I just showed you. You're gonna disconnect that. I don't have the straw to connect to it, so okay, now that he's done with the lawnmower, yeah, I had to pause the video, but in that meantime I did spray it down a little bit. You want to try not to get as much overspray everywhere, you know, so you just spraying the throttle body, the little kick plate, right? I'm just spraying it around there, getting it clean, get all around there. I don't want to spray it too hard. take your cloth, just so you can see. I used 2 of them actually, so there's a little bit more dirt than what you're seeing. Just cleaning it around there. That's it. You just cleaning it. You can press it in to get better cleaning, get that deep cleaning up in there, you know. You feel me? Don't get nothing stuck up in there though, you know. Clean that off. I even pushed it up and sprayed some more up in there. So once you get all the dirt that you want from up out of there, just put everything back on. Once you've reconnected everything, give it a nice little tug job. You know, make sure everything is nice and tight. I'm gonna come over here. Remember what I said on the other video with the Maxima. I'm gonna come over here, start it up. It is gonna rev loud. Well, it is gonna start off with the RPMs are gonna go up. Key fob is in my pocket, sir, ma'am, whatever you are. I gotta close the door. Okay. Put the key next to it. It's gonna start. There we go. Sitting here until the RPMs go down. Well, really, in the meantime, we'll just look at everything, make sure everything's running properly. But either way, that's about it for this video. See, nothing's smoking, nothing's doing whatever it's not supposed to be doing. It's doing what it's doing, right? And did you see the mileage on this thing? Dodge get a lot of crap. They get a lot of crap, right? And I don't blame you, but it's almost at 200K. It is almost at 200K. Check engine light for the thermostat, that's an easy fix. But the thing has been running good, surprisingly. That's it for this video. I'm gonna take it out for a spin. See the RPM gauge is going down right now. Yeah, that's it. I'll give it one more start and then I'm gonna take off. See, it starts right up. So don't be scared on the first startup. Everything gonna be straight. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys next time.